What's up, YouTube? But alright, today, you already know, upside down. You already know, side view mirror covers are painted. These are it. Close up. Got fingerprints all over them, but they've been drying for like 3 days now. And they're finally about to go in the car. Somebody said they wanted to see a video of them going on. I said I was gonna make a video at the end of the video, but we about to get into it. But stop what you're doing right now, because if you ain't already subscribed to the channel, do that right now. Like and drop a comment down below. But we about to get into the video. Y'all already know. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna make this quick, easy, and simple because it is hot out here. Whew. Tell ya. I just don't know what I'm going through. Whew, boy. It is hot. Probably wash the car later on, maybe. It's just so hot. You know I gotta change the oil in the car. Cause it's on like 35%. I don't like riding my oil on 0% like other folks. Plus I changed my own oil, so. But that's one side on. You got a little close up. Probably with all my fingerprints on it. It's one side. I just can't wait till all that trimming is gloss black. It's gonna look way better. But that's one side on. As y'all can see. One side on. Gotta go gloss black there. I already know that's gonna have to be gloss black. But let's finish the other side. And this is the other side on. The other side is on. Both sides are on now. Now let's get into changing this oil on this hot day. As y'all can see, the car is lifted up, the hood is up. Maybe I should go ahead and just put some 30s on here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put some 30s on here. Now, I can't go to no bigger than maybe 24s. That's how I would feel on this car. But 22s is big enough for me, really. But the car is lifted up. We got one jack and we got 2 jack stands for safety reasons. So, and then we got this for our oil. So all the oil can drain in here. Got an oil over there, oil filter. Got the hood pop. Took dipstick out. Took the cap for the oil off. If you don't know what kind of oil you take, just look on your cap. Alright. Now we're about to drain the oil. I'm probably gonna put the camera down low so y'all can see everything of what's going on down there. This car should take a 15mm socket. Yep. Alright. Tighter than what I thought it was. I'm not the only one that do this on my car. But alright, so we got everything ready for the oil to come out, drain out. I use the socket until I know I can twist it with my hand. Just like this. And this car is pretty hot, and I know this oil gonna be hot because I literally just got done driving the car. But I don't want to wait all day to change my oil. y'all about to see it probably shoot out. And I'm gonna drop the bolt in the pan. Just like so. Oh. And I got oil on my hand. It was hot, but it'd be alright. So the oil is draining. Let y'all see this real quick. Oil is draining, as you can see, it's black. Real dark. Been time for an oil change. Like the oil is draining. And after the oil, we're gonna do the oil filter, which is right here. You should be able to twist it with your hand. Depends on who tightened it up. I'm the last person that did it, and I only tighten it with my hand and no tool. And it's actually not that hot. So after the oil drains, I'm gonna take the oil filter off. All right, so I tried to twist it off my hand. Clearly I tightened it up too tight with my hand. So this is my little tool. I already unloosened it with it, so y'all not gonna see that part. Y'all just see the oil draining. Me twisting this off. This hot ass shit. Sorry about the cussing. This time, the filter's gonna fall in the little drain pan thing. Cause the bolt did not fall in there. It slid off. And this is what I'm about to do with this. I don't like oil sitting on sitting on my car, up under my car. Wherever it drips oil it, that's why I'm clean up at. Let's see something right there too. But that's it for the oil filter. And the drain plugs is still dripping on there. Alright, so this is what I do with oil filter for any of the people that paying attention. Take a little of the oil, put it on your finger, slap my finger, put it around the ring. That way next time you take it off, it shouldn't be as tight. And you also put a little bit in the oil filter. Some people do it a different way. This is the way I do it. Get the oil filter, get it back on the car. I cleaned up under there, so no oil's on there. Twist it back on there, and twist it a little bit. Don't try to cross thread it. Gotta clean my hands real quick. Once you feel a catch, you should feel a catch. Hold on. Alright, so the oil filter right there, for some reason, yeah, like it wanted to cross thread. I don't know why. But anyways, it's on there the right way now. So, twist, twist, twist. That's tight enough. That's tight. Don't need to mess with that no more. Hold down here. Tighten it up. I tighten this up with a socket, not my hand. Clean all the oil off. The oil's off. Tighten back up with the socket, and then lower the car down, and then put oil in it. If you don't know how to put oil in it. But anyways, that should be it for the car. When you get done with everything below the car, oil goes in there. This stick go back in there and reset the oil life inside the car. And that's it. But that's it for my video. My sister came out here, so I had to worry about her car. I had to change headlight bulbs. So I had to kind of rush the process of my car. But it is what it is. But until next video, peoples. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the 200 subscribers. And I'm out of here.